So what are we doing today?
Well, hopefully we'll be upgrading our combine from the L that burnt up in the fire to this Gleaner E.
That'll be quite the upgrade for you guys.
It will.
It's even the low ground version.
Yeah, it's a low ride. You just get running.
Very nice.
Yep.
It's a lifetime of accumulating. Air-cooled engine. There you go. There's a new international truck for you guys.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yep.
Got barbed wire.
Yeah. You have a barbecue. It's a nice F14 for you. Look good right next to your WC. Here, start it up for us.
Yeah,
there you go.
Start her up. Choke it a little.
Choke it a little.
Careful, you're flooding it.
Yeah, sorry.
Look at that, cultivator for a WC. You never have enough of them.
And more barbed wire.
Look at that cultivator's been sitting here for a while.
Yeah, look at that.
Still a WC cultivator though. It's a wonderful thing to have.
Yeah.
This would be a good auction for Crazy D because there's a lot of case stuff here. 430. I don't know. Must be an older head. Look at how wide those rows are. You like drive your car down those rows. They're so wide.
Yeah.
How does anybody do 38-inch rows anymore? So this is what you're really here for, huh?
Yeah.
A nice N6 Series 3. It's what you've been hoping for.
Yeah.
Think you guys will get it?
I hope so.
Be nice to film.
Yeah.
She's a beauty.
Yeah.
You're getting closer.
Yeah.
You getting nervous?
Yeah.
I'm terrible at auctions because I gotta stake out what I claim and not leave it or anything.
Yeah. Cover it up with some brush.
You know, you could go all out and go for the R52.
Yeah.
Really upgrade.
Yeah.
Even has that wonderful air diesel that everybody either loves or hates. About a nice 70-20.
Yeah.
Be an upgrade from the 190. I always like the leather seat, you know, with the embossed AC logo in it. Somebody needs to reproduce that.
Yeah.
Engines been remanufactured.
See, I'm going to say the good combine here. Go to get down, go to get down, $5 grand. It's $500, John, how are you? It's $500, guy, give me $2,500. It's $25,000, $1,100. It's $10, $11, $10, $11, $12, $1,300, $14, $15, $16, $17, sir. $18, $19, $2, now $1. It's $21, $22, now you're out, now $23. It's $26, $24, now $25. It's $25, $2,600 with you. Sir, we get $25, $2,600. I get $25, $2,600. 26, 7, 25, 26. Look at 20 pound and 26, 7, gentlemen here, 25, already then. At 20 pound and 26 on an hour. Look at 25, 26 on an hour. Look at 25, and John, how about you? 25, 26 on an hour. Look at 20 pound and 26, 7, 25, 6. At 25, and 26 on an hour. How about you boys? 25, 26 on an hour. Look at 20 pound and 26, 7, going once, going twice, last call. Here and go. Look at 25, 26 on an hour. Look at 20 pound and 26, 7, 6, last call. 25 on another, number 205. How's Dad doing? Number 205.
Oi, you got a new combine.
Yeah.
Say, on the bean head there, we got a Deutsch Allis 20 foot on the bean head. Nice looking bean head. 15 gallon to get down, but give me a 10, but 2 grand. 15 him and 10 down, but him and 10 down, but 15 on an hour. 15 down, but 15 down, but sir, you got $1,000 on that bean head.
Yep.
And I'll let, no sir, I took Kevin, 11, now 12. 10, I took him 11, now 12. And now 13, sir, and now 14. And now 14, now 15, $100. How about you, young man? I got 14 here, now 15. I can put in number $15, $100. I can put in number $15, $1,500 with you. Take 14 and a half. I can put in number 50. I can put, how about you, young man? Right there, 14 and a half. 14 and a half, number 14, 50. I can put in number 14 and a half, 50 with you. I can 14, 14 and a half, number, yep, 14 and a half. I can put in number 15, number 14 and a half. So the $1,400, number 205, number 205. Yeah, and I got 14 number 16, that with you. I got 15 number 16. I got 15 number $1,600. I got 15 number $1,600 with you. I got 15 number $1,600. I got 15 number 16, the 60 number $1,600. In the yard, I get 15 on the floor, now 16. I got 15 number 16, number 16, going once, going twice, last call, anybody else? So $1,500, 205, is that right? 205 will be the buyer.
You did it! You got a whole new harvesting setup.
Yeah.
You excited?
Nope.
Yeah, I doubt that. Not only did you get the N6 you were hoping for, you got an N6 Series 3 with all of the updates.
Yeah.
There, why don't you show us around?
Okay.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I like it a lot.
Like it looks like more of an upgrade than the M2, huh?
Yeah. It's hydrostatic, so it's pretty cool. It's got like a racing studio and a radio.
Yep. Like you're telling me too, you don't have to pull that old lever down there anymore to get the grain out.
Yeah.
It's even got that not so new combine smell.
Yeah, it kind of smells like poop, but
I wish YouTube had smell division because you guys could really appreciate this.
yeah. And all the mold smell. That's
Yep.
pretty nice as well.
Well, let's get some 80s shade carpet in there to
Yeah.
pretty it up.
Make it red.
Yep, nice bright red. And you get a vice grip.
We do?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's worth it.
Mm-hmm. Worth the price right there.
Yeah.
Deutsch Allis beanhead.
Yeah. This is, I think, stainless steel right here so that it means flowing quicker. I think it's stainless steel.
Mm-hmm. And you got the corn head.
Pretty nice.
I wish this auction would have been like a month ago, so we could have seen it in action this year.
Yeah. And I also bought this header trailer.
Yep. Not a bad day at the auction. Well, you guys weren't done after the combine. What else did you guys get?
Well, we also bought this 32-foot Allis Chalmers field cultivator. I think 32 foot. And it's pretty nice.
Yeah, pretty neat.
Yeah. And we also got this 38-inch row, I think, head, black head. And then we also got this 30-inch row orange head for parts too. So we'll take like the rollers and chains and everything out of them and from different heads.
You guys had a fun day.
Yeah.
All I bought was a hot dog.
Wow.
Oh, and a Mountain Dew. And a Dr. Pepper. your dad looks happy.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
A little bit of improvement over the old L.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully everybody comes back for next year's harvest and sees how it does. So, are you happy you're on?
I sure am.
It's a nice looking rig.
Yes.
Like I said, I wish it was a month ago so I could see it in action.
No kidding.